Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss exercise 1.5 question number 6. So here I have written question number 6.1. If x equal to 1 plus root 2, then show that x minus 1 by x whole cube equal to 8. So you have to prove this one. Solution. What given? Given x equal to 1 plus root over 2. This is a given condition. You have to prove that x minus 1 by x. So find 1 by x. 1 by x you can write 1 by 1 plus root over 2. Now rationalize this one. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 minus root over 2. 1 minus root over 2. How can you rationalize? I have already discussed in the previous class. If you did not check this one, you can check the playlist. Now, here a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. And this one multiply by 1, so 1 minus root over 2. You will get 1 minus root over 2. 1 minus 1 square means 1. Root 2 square means 2. So you can write 1 minus root over 2 by 1 minus 2 means minus 1. Now multiply by minus 1 in both numerator and denominator. You will get minus 1 plus root over 2. Minus 1 plus root over 2. So write this one. Therefore, left hand side, writing down x minus 1 by x whole cube. X means value of x is 1 plus root over 2 minus 1 by x. Minus 1 by x value is minus 1 plus root over 2 whole cube. Here whole cube. Now omit the bracket 1 plus root over 2 minus plus 1 minus plus minus 2 root over 2 whole cube. So you will get 2 to cancel. 1 plus 1 2 cube equal to 8 equal to right hand side. This is the proof of question number 6.1. You can write this one. Next question number 2. 6.2. Simplify 1 by 1 plus root over 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus root 4. First write this one. 1 plus root over 2. 1 by root 2 plus root 3. 1 by root 3 plus root over 4. Now, you can take LCM or you can rationalize part by part. So, you will rationalize part by part, then it will be easy. 1 into 1 minus root over 2. 1 plus root over 2 into 1 minus root over 2 plus here root 2 plus root 3. You have to multiply by root 2 minus root 3. Root 2 minus root 3. Here 1 into root 2 minus root 3. Next plus root 3 into root 4. You have to multiply by root 3 minus root over 4. Here 1 into root over 3 minus root over 4. A plus b into a minus b form. So 1 square minus root over 2 square. And here multiply by 1 means 1 minus root over 2 plus here root 2 minus root 3. Multiply by 1. So you will get root 2 minus root 3. Here a plus b into a minus b form. That means root 2 square minus root 3 square. Next root 3 minus root 4. Here root 3 square minus root over 4 square. Now write step by step. 1 by root over 2. Here 1 square means 1. Root 2 square means 2 plus root 2 minus root 3. Root 2 square means 2. Root and square cancel. Root 3 square means 3 plus Here root 3 minus root 4, 3 minus 4. So you'll get 1 minus root over 2. 1 minus 2 means minus 1 plus root 2 minus root 3. 2 minus 3 means minus 1 plus root 3 minus root 4. 3 minus 4 means minus 1. So multiply by minus 1 in both numerator and denominator. You will get this one minus 1, minus minus plus root over 2. Here minus root 2, minus minus plus root 3, minus root 3, minus minus plus root 4. Or you can divide by minus 1. You will get same. So root 3 cancel. Root 2 cancel. This one minus 1, this one plus root over 4. That means you will get minus 1 plus root over 4 means 2. So simply we will get 1. You can write the notes. I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe the channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.